Hello viewers, this is a Holmes Blizzard's fan, model HAOF87. Tragically made in China. And it draws 0.5 amps, so it's probably got a shaded pole motor in there. Looks like it was never used. Doesn't seem to have any dust or any scuffs or anything on it, so maybe this was like a store return or whatever, I don't know. It's got a fuse plug. Replaceable at least. It's 5 amp fuse. Let's see if it works. There's the speed control. This actually in a lot of ways is like some of the older Holmes fans that were made. Sort of on slow. And apparently we're oscillating. Looks like it oscillates correctly. This oscillating thing is kind of lower than I think it should be, but I don't know. Actually, that moves a decent amount of air. It has somewhat of a restricted sound to it. Probably comes from this kooky thing around the sides, but the amount of air it's pushing out is not bad. You know, this is a relatively small fan. It's kind of loud though. There's a lot of wind noise. You know, but it is moving a lot of air. I'll give it that much. It's not disappointing in that area. Let's go to high. I don't think that did too much more than just make more noise. It's still moving a lot of air. I don't see why it wouldn't, but let's just make sure it oscillates. It oscillates a little quickly for my preference. And this is what I was saying about the oscillation thing being real low. I mean, oops, you can only almost hardly pull it back up. Yeah, the screw is actually kind of loose on that oscillation knob. I wonder if there's something wrong with that. Well, interesting. Definitely moves a lot of air, but it's kind of noisy. See how the spin down time is. That's satisfactory. Well, it doesn't seem like a bad fan. I just wish it wasn't so doggone loud.